Alright, so this is how the box comes. It's just, here are my hands to reference. It's a pretty big box considering there's just one small tiny little ring in here. It probably weighs a good 2-3 pounds. Let's go ahead and open it up. Let's open this up. Wow. Very fancy box, very nice. Looks like I actually have it. Do I have it upside down? I don't know. There's a little tab here. Oh, okay. Ooh. This is the moment of truth. It's cold. Wow. Looks fantastic. Wow. Alright, let's take it out of the box. Wow. I am awfully pleased. That looks great. Very classic look. You zoom in a little here. So, believe it or not, I actually went with a K diamond. And the reason I did that is because with yellow gold, you really can't tell the difference in diamond color. So I went with the highest quality cut, a little bigger size. And then from the top especially, you really just can't tell the difference. So it looks fantastic, very sparkly, very good looking ring. Alright, let's see what's up. What else is in this box? Looks like there's a little drawer right here. There's a cloth to keep it clean. And then this looks like it's the certificate. Alright, so here's the appraisal documentation. Very nice. I didn't pay that much. That's kind of cool that it says it's worth that much. Here's the explanation on the lifetime warranty. Little coupon. If you refer somebody, you get $100. You get wedding bands. There's the inspection notification. What's in here? This looks like a insurance policy that you can opt into if you'd like. And then there's just the information. Last but not least, that was information on the order, by the way. Last but not least, here is the GIA diamond certificate. So this is probably the most important thing you'll get besides the ring. It's on very nice paper. It has a nice shiny seal. Can you see that? And then this is kind of an explanation about what GIA is, what fluorescence is, just a brief explanation. Okay, so if you want to take a look, here is the actual certificate. So I went with a 0.76 carat diamond, color K, clarity VS1, so you really can't see any of the faults in it. Obviously if you zoom in, you can see some of the faults, but it's not going to be as noticeable. It has a slight fluorescence to it. And then I went with a triple excellent, so the best cut there is. And then if you look these up in the HCA tool, you will actually get like I think it was like a 1.4, so it was a really high number. Great fire, great scintillation. But yeah, it's a high quality diamond. It's not the greatest color, but like I said, let's look at it again. You really just can't tell. You can't tell from having yellow gold. It looks beautiful. But yeah, it's a very classy ring, very nice. I can fit on my pinky, but doesn't look quite as good. And then you probably can't see, but there is a slight engravement. I asked them to do an engraving. And then those are, what is that? This is 14 karat gold, so I think that's the 14 karat gold engravement. But yeah, there it is. Very nice. Very pleased.